Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by getting the essentials in place. Install OBS and open YouTube Studio to create a new live stream so you can copy the stream key. Once done, paste that key into OBS settings stream. Make sure your output mode is set to advanced and choose the hardware encoder if your GPU supports it. This reduces CPU load. Also select a base and output resolution that matches your internet upload capacity, so you won't overload bandwidth. Next, assemble your broadcast. Create scenes for camera, screen/game, and overlays, then add sources and arrange them. You'll want to set audio devices under audio, adjust gain and add a noise gate or compressor to keep levels steady. Then tune output settings. Pick a bitrate that matches upload, around 3,000 to 6,000 kbps for HD, and set keyframe interval to 2 seconds because YouTube requires it. Make sure rate control and encoder presets balance quality and CPU usage. When everything is ready, click Start Streaming in OBS and then check YouTube's preview to confirm video and audio arrive. You should monitor stream health for dropped frames, high latency, or encoding overload. If you see issues, lower bitrate or resolution and adjust encoder preset. Make sure audio is synchronized and overlays are visible. If something fails, stop the stream, restart OBS, verify the stream key, and run a short private stream to iterate quickly. This one test usually reveals the remaining configuration problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.